Hi, so today I'll be showing you how to create a button that switches scenes in Unity. So to start off, you'd probably just want to go to your Assets, Scenes folder, and then rename your scene to something. But while you're at it, you should also create another scene which you'll be switching to, and I'll just call it Secondary. And stay on your main scene, and then go over to your hierarchy, Main, right-click, go on UI, then Button, and just rename your button to something else, I guess. I'll call it Play, and then I'll just center my button in the middle. While I'm at it, I'll go over to double-click on that secondary scene, save just in case, and right-click, do the same thing, create another button, center that again, just for this video's sake, and I'll call this back. Now over here, in case you don't already have a scenes folder, I'd right click on assets, create folder, a scripts folder, my bad. Make a scripts folder, and then right click on the scripts folder, go to create C# script, and just call it whatever you'd like. I'll call it SceneSwitcher. I'll just double click on it, and then it will open up Visual Studio. Over here, so we won't be needing any of this. Just go over to using, or to the top of the thing, and type in using UnityEngine.SceneManagement. Alright, and then over here let's make a function called playGame, public void playGame, and then in this we will type in SceneManager.LoadScene, then bracket SceneManager.GetActiveScene, bracket buildIndex, and then we'd like to add one, and then end it off with this. And with this, just go back over to Unity and drag this SceneSwitcher script over to the, let's go to the main first actually. Go over here, go to the main scene, make sure you're on that, and then drag the SceneSwitcher script onto the canvas for the main scene that should be going on. And after that, click on the button, go over to on click the little plus button, drag the canvas right there, click on this drop down menu, go to SceneSwitcher, and you should see there's no play game yet, right? This is the thing that would happen if you don't save. So save, go over here, SceneSwitcher, and play games right there. Cool. Now this will just take us to the next scene, but the back button won't do anything yet. So let's go over here to the other scene that we'll be switching to. Do the same thing, drag the SceneSwitcher onto this, go onto here, go to the button, and just drag the canvas right there. Now before we could do that, we have to make the function that makes it go back. We can't use the same one, so just write public void back, and just take this code right here, do it once more, but instead of that, just subtract. Save, remember to save or it won't show up. Then again, over to the drop down menu, SceneSwitcher, back. Now just save once more, and just go to main again, then go on file, build settings, and then just make sure you have this, right? But if you don't, for some reason, just go to main first, and then click add open scene, and then go to secondary, then click add open scene once more, and it's 0 to 1, right? So what the code pretty much does, it goes from here, then adds 1, goes to number 1. But then when we go to secondary, we said subtract 1, right? The build index, this is a build index here, then subtract 1 takes us back. So now that we got all this done, we should be able to run this, and it should work. Back, play, works perfectly fine. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.